Hello, and welcome to another episode of Dustins Dojo. As you can see, there's been a blizzard. And usually my friend Terry is here to help me with my videos, but his mom would not let him come outside today in the snow. It is 40 below zero, wind chill factor. So today I'm going to show you some techniques and some combos that you can use when there is a blizzard, because believe it or not, even though there's a blizzard, there is still many attackers. So you can watch these combos, you can learn them, you can follow along at home and learn how to defeat many attackers in blizzards. Sometimes when there's blizzards and you do spin kicks, you will lose your footing. But that's okay, because the attackers may also lose their footing. As you can see, it is also very much harder to throw combos in the snow, because when there is a blizzard, it's very cold and it's slippery and the snow is up to your knees and it's hard to kick. But that doesn't mean that you can't do it. Sometimes preservation pays off. This is going to be my last combo, and it's going to be as if there's many attackers. Thank you for watching another episode of Dustins Dojo. If you want to learn to do these kind of moves, you can watch more of my videos, or you can get lessons at Roger Baker's Taekwondo and Pizza, Pensacola, Florida. If you want to ask me questions or comment on my videos, that would be very cool. And I hope this video has helped you fight off attackers. Thank you for watching another episode of Dustins Dojo.